Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey guys, Tim here, and welcome back to Project Baobab YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to give you a recap of how I attended a car event. To be specific, it's a Mazda 3 or a Mazda Axela car meetup. It's a meetup with people who own similar cars. Kwa watu wengine hiyo ni shamba, lakini it was exciting, trust me. Watch this video and you'll get why you should go for one. So we started off at Total Sabaki. That's along Mombasa Road. We were destined for Machakos are a garden that sikumbuki jina, but I'll put it on here. And yeah, so we went off. It was a very nice and thrilling drive. Just driving carefully, ensuring that we have maintained the safety of everyone on the road. I don't know if I like the colors of that house, but anyway, that's not important. And then you go Nairobi, siko meeting, as you can see. Don't get deceived. Just look around. It's a beautiful place. Back to the story. So we took at the Sabaki, driving towards Machakos. So we arrived at the resort at around midday, and there we had fun. We meet some beautiful people, make friends, understand people's cars.
Wait, team 2 kwa mko amejipanga.
We are the baddies! Umetumia moto.
Jamani, moto iko wapi?
That were corporate world, the games that they seem childish and going at first, but at the time you also get the hang of this and you start enjoying it. Yeah. Met some beautiful people, seen some cars, played some games. Just kumbuka hizo games. I was still hungry. Don't remember the exact games. I was just looking for food to come by. The food was great. And some drinks here and there. Soda, of course. Can't drink water. Combine. And yeah, how we went on overall. I got to see some great cars, explaining about the up and downs with Nairobi mechanics. Nairobi mechanic hit or miss, so there must be someone who has tried and succeeded or failed at some point. So at least it's a good place for you to do the try and there kind of thing. Whatever house they feel. Just to try it. I love it. Yep. After that, you are destined for a very beautiful and scenic place. Still at Ukambani. You people should come and show you some. So the place at Mukambani is called Mua Hills. It's very beautiful. Make sure and at least you go there once. Go in the Sayun. That's a good place to go. Yeah. Let's go when the Cape Town, the mountains. There's some beautiful places around that you can visit. So we went at Mua Hills. It was beautiful, and we went at the right time, sunset. Yeah, if you decide to go there, ensure that sunset finds you there, and don't leave until darkness arrives. I think I'm fine. Yeah, so don't leave there until the darkness arrives. And 2 reasons why you shouldn't do that. 1, the sunset is very beautiful. Yeah, from the name, you're at a hill. So sunset is very beautiful. 2, when the sun goes down, you get to view the lighting of Machakos town, and it's very, very beautiful. Yeah, that's it. How the car event went. After that, a few people went for after party. Of course, I didn't go. Got a wife to go back to. Watu wakaenda sherehe after party. I heard it was great. Yeah, so if you're wondering if you should join that car event, I might call you. Yes, go meet people, know about cars, know about your car, know about other cars. Yeah, that's it. So see you next time at our next video. And don't forget, tomatoes are disgusting. Yeah, bye.